sa kabukiran sa Saudi. Look. Yes. Look at them. This is the church. This is the Muslim church. So, tapos guys, nag-outing kami. Dito, nag-outing kami dito. May bridge na dito. Tapos may mga resort sa dalong. Pero wala pa nahuman. Sponsy. Look ang mga balay dire. Look at that house. Oh, it's a little bit raining. See, look at that house. And this is a church. The Muslim church. It's called Masjid. And this is the other house. MashaAllah. Wow. What a nice house. Look. There's more. Almost a big house is here. See, wow. It's a little bit have a raindrops. Oh my god. Actually guys, nakapanglamig kay winter ang Saudi. Although mahambal mo nga ang Saudi, isa sa pinakamainit, pero pag abot sa winter, super lamig. Look at that. Oh my god, it's going to rain. Oh my god, it will rain.